my dream come true from college up to now, and it's Sony XM5. Isn't it pretty? Oh my God. Hi guys! So before ako matutulog, i-unbox muna namin ang aming binili or binigay sa amin ng boss. This is internal SSD, 2TB. Dalawa yung binili ko kasi sa kanya at akin, and then ipapartition na lang namin para makakapag-download kami ng maraming videos. Although nag-upgrade na kami ng RAM, ang this talaga yung problem.
Try
This
natin.
is the KC300.
This is the KC3000.
You know guys, yeah, I'm into that 4. Bago ko to binili. Si Bose, si AirPod Max, si Sony XM5, and this is Sennheiser. Wow! It's so huge! It's kinda heavy. Sabi kasi doon, if si AirPod Max ang